It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. V6 engine, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and automatic transmission. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.